Hi there, this is Amelia Fabriches, and this is my Module 5 for AEP 858. To begin, who are we? My school is a large 3A school in central Kansas, just north of Wichita. Enrolled, we have about 270 students. 81% of them are white or Caucasian, and 9% are Hispanic. 25% of our students are considered economically disadvantaged, and less than 2% are ELL students. Our graduation rate is at 98%, and we have less than a 1% dropout rate. Our average ACT score for our building is a 23.6 for 2018, compared to the state average of a 21.6. How we do business in Heston. We are all about our post-secondary success. So we have our 5-year success at 67% and our 5-year effectiveness at 64%. Our board goals to focus on social and emotional character growth and curriculum development, and then also civic engagement. How do students become more involved in civic duties? And our focus is also on individual plans of study. Where are we now? Right now, our math scores, according to our state assessments, the 76% of our building showed they were college and career ready. For ELA, 85% of our students showed that they were college and career ready. In science, 89% of our students said that they were college or showed that they were college and career ready according to the assessments. And then in social studies, 90+% of our students showed they were college and career ready. All of our scores were higher than the state average, and those are scores for 2018. Why do we exist and where do we want to be? So here I have displayed is our district framework. And here our shared purpose is to provide every child with every opportunity to successfully acquire skills, find talents, and pursue dreams. That is our shared purpose. So why do we exist? It is to do those things. And then where do we want to be? Here we have our student success outcomes, authentic literacy, civic engagement, post-secondary readiness. I spoke about those some earlier. And then we also have our district, school, and classroom practices and beliefs. So collaboration, alignment, relationships, leadership capacity, instructional intensity, and relevance. And then our pillars. So we have what our students will do, what our teachers will do, administrators, and then our parents and community. And then the black column, the indicators of success, this is where we want to be. These are the things that we want to be doing. We have things like CTE courses, ACT readiness, job shadowing. Then that's for our students, but then also for our teachers, we have things such as cooperative learning, training, evaluation systems that we're changing. And then for our family and community as well, we have changing up conferences, and then also including that civic engagement and then collaborating with them as well. So that is where we want to be, and that is why we exist. Thank you.